So, as promised, we're now hundreds of miles up the road, which I wasn't expecting it to be so far, and we're only halfway to Dallas. But we have stopped here. The Dr. Pepper Museum. The home of Dr. Pepper. Allegedly. So we shall find out.
Are the miles shorter in England? Is that why you didn't think a couple hundred miles would be as long as it is in the US?
I didn't realize that it would be a couple of hundred miles.
Okay.
And we're only halfway.
Only halfway, yes.
Nice. The old corner drugstore.
I've been doing lots of service creating a new solar planet. These days it's called a Dr. Pepper. Back in the beginning, everyone just called it a Waco. But for a few years, back in the 1800s, Waco was the only place in the world you could get a Dr. Pepper. Now you have to understand, Mr. Morrison was very excited about that drink. He's the one that first called it a Dr. Pepper. It got so popular that that back room of the drugstore was turned into a small-scale manufacturing company. We would mix up a batch and send it out to other drugstores.
A bottle of poison. And we're gonna drink it.
I've been working here, but mainly I just
So apparently, if there was bottles that were broken or chipped due to manufacturing, they would just throw them down that well. And it ended up looking like this.
One thing that it was just a plan out I've seen a lot.
I want this truck. This looks like we've entered into a Halloween Horror Night moment here. I'm just waiting for a scare actor to jump out. Pardon?
That's in a day or two.
That's in a day or two when we go to
Fright Fest.
Fright Fest. Yes!
Tom's already out, well, pretty on it.
So, as with every ride or tour or attraction, you always end up in the gift shop. It is mildly warm today, at only 35 degrees. That's hot.
Yeah, I know.
Deb doesn't look impressed. This is quite cool for you, isn't it?
I call this normal.
With your jeans and t-shirt on.
Yeah, well, no. But I already packed my shorts, so.
Treasures of the Dr. Pepper Museum. I see treasure. Or bricks. So Ellie, is this a bit like Diagon Alley, where we literally walk through the wall?
This is called a cassette tape.
Cool. In case you didn't guess it, I am not way up in the air. That is a model. So next up, we're going to get our Dr. Peppers from over here, and it is not mixed. They put the syrup in the cup, then the soda, then mix it for you. So yeah, something a little bit different. I'm watching you, watching me, watching you, watching me, watching you, watching me, watching you, watching me, watching you. And he's watching us, watching me, watching you, watching me, watching you, watching him.
Yeah. Laura?
And I'll watch you.
Because.
So here we go, our
Do you want
mixed
do you need another
Dr.
chair?
Pepper.
It's back here.
It's strong.
That's what it is, isn't it?
Yeah, but I wish the can tasted like that. Because that's strong. So there you go, that was the Dr. Pepper Museum here in Waco, Texas. Time to get back in the car, head on up to Dallas. I wish that sign was lit up, but then you wouldn't see it because it's knocked off. Anywho, we'll see you soon. So, yeah. Oh. And just like that, we're at our hotel here in Dallas, Texas, right across the road from Six Flags, the theme park that we're going to go to on Friday night for the Fright Night. What is it called?
Fright Fest.
Fright Fest. That's what it is.
4 o'clock.
There you go. Anywho, we're now going to head out, go to Whataburger. I told you this was going to be a random vlog. Did I not say so? So we're going to go to Whataburger, which is Texas's kind of version of McDonald's. And we haven't had one yet. So yeah, as Chris would say, come along, come on. Hello.
Well, hi. Come on in.
So here we go, we're going to have ourselves a Texan mainstay, Whataburger. A Texan McDonald's, and I shouldn't say that too loud, I may get punched. I feel I need to film it. So, got ourselves our very first Whataburger.
Brilliant, thank you.
And see if it's any better than McDonald's. What do you reckon?
I prefer McDonald's chips though.
I prefer these burgers.
Good burger?
It's Whataburger. As you can see, we're back at the hotel now, and we are pooped. That was a long day. See you all in the next one, which will be the which will be the Texas State Fair. Now it's time to do your job.